It's actually really good for your dog to eat those plants like that. He's actually treating himself either for worms or a deficiency. Yeah, he's looking for a specific plant. He's like, she's got the good stuff behind the fence. He knows exactly what he needs to eat to make himself feel better.
Anyway, my squash is looking great. Yours is coming on pretty. I can't believe that blackberry bush out there.
I know. And you
That's
know, I've
absolutely
never
loaded.
individually watered that plant yet.
You don't have to. Not with that much muesli, I don't.
Exactly right. And that deep watering system beside it. Folks, thank you all for joining Pawpaw, Sammy, Allie Bug, Mama Barbara. Mama, you wanted to give me a tip on watering in the mornings. Why?
You aren't supposed to water in the afternoon
Why?
because if you don't water deep enough, it can rot your plants.
And fungus.
Oh,
And it causes fungus on your plants. Dampness overnight.
I'm bad about watering in the evening. Maybe why my potatoes are wanting
Maybe
to rot a
you're
little bit.
watering enough or something.
Yeah, I pour gallons.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
If you do water in the evening, just don't get the plant leaves wet.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I agree with that.